Number 1. Which of the following fractions is equal to 0.06? So we have this decimal, and if we want to convert it to a fraction, we have to multiply and divide by something. Here we have a hint. What if we divide it by 100 and multiply it by 102? Because if we multiply it by 10, the decimal will move one place, so it will become 0.6 divided by 10, and that's not the option. So now if we multiply by 100, we got times 10 times 100, it will become 6 or 6.0 if you want, divided by 100. Which is the same as 6 divided by 100. So the right answer is D. Number 2. A club has 36 members. If each member donates 12 items for an auction, how many items will be there in the auction? So to find the total items that will be in the auction, we can multiply the number of members times the amount of items, which is 36 members times 12 items. 36 times 12 is 2 times 6 is 12. We have 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus this one is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. 2, 6 plus 7 is 13. We have 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 432. The right answer is D. Number 3. What is the value of 4 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 100? We have to add these two fractions. 4 divided by 10 plus 3 divided by 100. Now the first thing we have to do is to have the same denominator. In this case we have 10 and 100. So we could multiply and divide this first fraction, multiply by 10 divided by 10, and we'll get 10 times 4 is 40, divided by 10 is 100. Plus the other fraction, 3 divided by 100. We just add the numerator. 40 plus 3 is 43, and the denominator is the same, so 100. The answer is 43 divided by 100. The right answer is 8. A conference planner has put together 280 binders for attendees and another 31 binders for presenters. How many total binders did the planner put together for the attendees and the presenters? So we have 280 binders for attendees and another 31 binders for presenters. If we add them, we'll obtain the total binders. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 3 is 11. We hold 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And this is the total number of binders, 311. The right answer is C. Finally, number 5. A store stock 150 cans of popcorn for a weekend sale. That weekend, 72 of the cans sold. What percent of the cans of popcorn stock were sold that weekend? So we know that 72 of the cans were sold, but what is the percentage? We can use the rule of 3. We have the cans and the percentage. So the total is 150 cans, which represents the 100%. And 72 of these cans were sold. And we need to find that percent, so we don't know it. Now we need to do the cross multiplication. 150 times 6 is equal to the other one, 72 times 100. We can divide both terms by 150. Here we'll get 1. 1 times 6 is 6, equal to, now here we simplify the zeros. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We can divide by 3. This is 72, which is equal to 2 to 24. Now we have x is equal to 24 times 2. X is equal to 48. And the unit is the percentage, because we are looking for the percentage. So the right answer is C, 48%.